All right, folks, time to address the hairy truth. Some regions might be faking Bigfoot sightings. Yeah, Bigfoot, said it. So I pulled the data on 400 investigations and ran a good old chi-square test to see if hoaxes are more common in certain parts of the U.S. We looked at 4 regions: Pacific Northwest, Southeast, Midwest, and Northeast. In region, each sighting was classified as either credible, a hoax, or inconclusive. Simple, right? Let's find out if these outcomes are linked in region. Now you might be wondering, why the chi-square test? Easy. We've got 2 categorical variables: region and result type. This test is perfect for checking if there's a relationship between them. I'm not measuring fur length here. We're looking for patterns in categories. No fancy math degree needed. We can check this in the method map decision tree linked in the description. I'll give you a second to download. Cool. So yeah, let's run this thing. Analyze. Cool. So yeah, let's run this thing. Analyze. Descriptive statistics. Crosstabs. Our investigation result is our target, and we're looking to see where those differences might exist by region. We're going to click Statistics, chi-square, and then Cramer's V. We're going to click Cells. We're also going to look at column proportions or percentages just to see what that might look like relative to counts. And then we're going to look at standardized residuals. Okay. Now let's talk proportions. In the Midwest and the Northeast, nearly half of all investigations turned out to be hoaxes. In the Southeast, over a third were hoaxes too. Meanwhile, the Pacific Northwest, nearly half at 46.4% were credible. That's not a coincidence. That's a pattern. So yeah, some regions are pulling their weight. Others, let's just say not all forests grow truth. Now to the chi-square test. Here's what we got out of this. We have a chi-square 42.77, which converts to a p-value below 0.05, well below 0.05, 0.01, with 6 degrees of separation. Translation, these results definitely aren't random. Something's going on. But hold on. How strong is the relationship? That's where Cramer's V comes in. It's a measure of association strength from 0, no relationship, to 1, a perfect relationship. In our case, 0.231 is our Cramer's V. That's a small to moderate association, so there's a real pattern here, but it's not like the Midwest is making up every single sighting. To figure out where the action is, we look at the standardized residuals. In each of these, part of the table. Positive values mean more sightings than expected. Negative values mean fewer. Anything approaching 2 or under -2, suspiciously strong. 2 being the statistical value for significance at 95%, but also tells you which direction the outcome missed the expectation. Midwest hoaxes? Off the charts. Same with the Northeast. Also raising eyebrows. Pacific Northwest had more credible sightings than expected. Which honestly, Pacific Northwest is doing my brand a favor. Before we get too excited, let's run through the chi-square assumption roll call, aka the don't blow up your results list. Number 1, independence of observations. Each report has to stand up on its own. No group projects here. If your cousin Bob reported Bigfoot 3 times in 1 week, we're tossing 2 of those, keeping the 1. 2, mutually exclusive categories. You can't be credible and a hoax at the same time. Pick a lane, people. Number 3, expected frequency rules. Each cell on the table should have at least 5 expected sightings. If the math expects Bigfoot and no one's home, your test is in danger. Number 4, a large sample size. Chi-square doesn't like small crowds. Thankfully, we've got 400 sightings. That's enough to make a skeptic sweat. Number 5, categorical data only. No decimals allowed. This test doesn't care about how tall the creature was, just what kind of result it got. We've got string categorical variables to use to build proportions, so we're good here. And number 6, association, not causation. Chi-square isn't a mind reader. It tells us there's a pattern, not why. Maybe hoaxes are higher in the Midwest because I have a doppelganger there. Who knows? Bottom line, the stats don't lie. Regional bias is real. If you're out there filing fake Bigfoot reports, I see you. And I have data. Thanks for watching. Keep it credible, stay curious, and remember, if it smells like pine and stats, it's probably me. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see more of me and my wacky analysis.